G'day lovelies, welcome back. Alrighty, who is up for a chocolate dessert cake? I will write the recipe below in the description as always. First thing we're going to need is two 20cm springform tins. We want to line them with baking paper. We want to preheat our oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Next we want to put the kettle on, grab out a saucepan and a heat-proof bowl. In the heat-proof bowl we want to chop up 90 grams of butter and we want 200 grams of dark cooking chocolate. So if you've got block chocolate, just chop it up. Now you want to fill your saucepan with water, but you don't want it to touch the bowl. Then we set that aside to melt and we just stir it every now and again. While that's melting, we need to get 5 eggs and separate them. Once we've done that, set them aside. Alright, while we're waiting on that, I'm just going to whisk the egg yolks with a fork. Alrighty, once we finally got it melted in together, we now want to add our egg yolks and mix them through. Then we want to add 3/4 of a cup of caster sugar and mix that through. Then we want to sift in self-raising flour. Then we want to mix that through. Once we've done that, we want to set that aside. We want to grab our egg whites and we want to beat them until soft peaks form. So soft peaks forming basically means when you go like that, which was literally a minute on high. Now we just pour it into our cake mix. And we, you know the motion. Okay, once we can see it's all through it, we want to divide the mixture up in our 2 tins. Alright, I'm going to chuck the first one in. Alright, the first one took 22 minutes. That's because I can never get things even. And this one is bigger. So stick a skewer in, comes out clean. She's ready. Gently peel the paper off. Grab a plate with baking paper. Sit it on the top with a tea towel, slide it, flip it, get it even. Gently take the top off. Mate, they smell wicked. This one took 20 minutes. Alright, we just want to do the same thing again. And then we want to leave them sit there until they go completely cold. Now while they're cooling down, I'm going to get 300 ml of cream, 1/4 cup of icing sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or essence. And I'm going to beat it up until thick and whack it in the fridge till we need it. I'm going to get a punnet of strawberries and clean them as well. there you have it, lovelies. A gorgeous dessert cake. Give it a crack. Your family is going to love it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Toodles.